Sparkling wilk. I don't think I'm looking forward to this one, honestly. I could kind of already tell that this is not gonna go well. And to that one YouTube video that's a guy that looks like young Elon Musk trying to put milk in a carbonation machine.
Hello, my name is Joe Barnard. I am here today to perform a very fun, informative, and socially acceptable experiment. Ah! Oh man, oh jeez, oh man.
I'm anticipating around the same amount of disastrous results for this one too. Oh. For the fans? Now I'm stirring and oh, that's the pulp from the last one. Okay, anyways. Cheers. Oh my gosh, I thought I finished at least 2/3 of it. There's only half. Oh gosh. This one's not it. No, no, no. This is not it. This is not it. It like got the worst part of out of like both out together. Okay. Well, good thing that I got that over with. Holy frick, that is not it. That is not it. What did you expect? I expected it to just be like fizzy milk and fun. I expected it to be fizzy milk and fun. This is not fun. Alright, anyways, next one.